Hey guys, welcome to Big Basket YouTube channel. My name is Frankie and today I'm going to demonstrate this beautiful warm toned fall makeup look. You can get all the products I used from the beauty store by Big Basket. Let's get started. I'm starting by brushing up the hairs of my brows using a spoolie. I'm shaping and filling my eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil using short regular strokes in the direction of my hair. Next, I am applying concealer on my eyelids to achieve an even base to apply eyeshadow. For my eye makeup, I'm using a small fluffy brush to apply an orange toned warm color to the crease, starting from the inner corner to the outer corner, forming a sort of a semicircle. Now I'm making sure to blend all the edges and keep the center of my lid completely free of product. Using a tapered blending brush, I am applying a darker shade of orange color in a more concentrated area of the inner and outer lid and blending towards the center. To give this look a little more depth, I am applying dark brown color on the outer edge and inner edge of the eyelid. I am applying a light shimmery color to the center of my lid to make it stand out and pop. Now I'm buffing out the edges to avoid any harsh lines using a clean fluffy brush. Before starting the base makeup, I am applying a moisturizer as it makes the skin look healthy. Next, I am using an orange corrector to color correct the acne marks. I am applying the foundation in small dots all over the face and blending outwards using a foundation brush. Now I am applying a concealer under my eyes in a triangular shape to brighten up the under eyes and blending it outwards. I am dotting liquid blusher on the center of my cheeks and on the bridge of my nose and blending outwards to achieve a natural flush you get when there is a chill in the air. Now I am setting my under eyes using a small tapered brush and translucent powder. Using a big fluffy brush, dust some translucent powder to set your base makeup. Now I'm applying bronzer on the edges of my face to add some dimension. To complete my eye makeup, I'm applying the orange eyeshadow on my lower lash line and blending using windshield motion. Next, I'm applying mascara to lengthen and define my eyelashes. For my lipstick, I'm applying a Luxe Oxblood hue with hints of brown. This romantic vampy hue is perfect for fall. For a more refined look, you can also add false lashes. And this is the finished look. Get all the products from the beauty store by Big Basket. I will leave links to all the products I used in the description box below. To check out more videos, subscribe to Big Basket Lifestyle YouTube channel or visit us on blog.bigbasket.com. Thank you for watching.